June 5th, 2013. This recording the cicadas in Shawanagunk, the Hudson Valley. I'll show you a close-up of these things. This one here is getting ready to evolve. See the white head opposed to the black? They're everywhere. Yeah, there you go. There's one that evolved. They come out of their shell, white wings, and they fly off. They leave the empty shell. That one there with the black head's not evolved yet. Black hair, little beady red eyes. That one left the cocoon, ready to fly. They are everywhere. I mean everywhere. Thousands of them. Sound is deafening. They're on the houses too. These are actually empty cocoons. There's one that hasn't hatched yet. Another one. Attached to everything, especially anything made of wood. Sound is just something else. I'm gonna walk around here and let you hear this shit. Sound is incredible. It goes on from 24 hours a day. Here we are in another tree. And how much damage they're going to do to these trees, but there are thousands of them. There's nothing you can do about them. Absolutely nothing. Well, I understand they stay in the ground hibernating for 17 years, and then they surface. They come out of their cocoons, they mate, and this is what we get. They eat the leaves off the trees. Exactly how much damage they're going to do, I don't know. Remains to be seen. But look at all these shells on the bottom here. Look at all of these. I don't know if you can see this too well. Not too much light here. There are just hundreds of them at the foot of this tree. Everywhere. I had them on my tractor when I was doing the lawn. Those are all the empty shells. So you get like at least 200 of them right there. I'm telling you, there's thousands of them. All around the base of the tree. Look at these. This is in the Hudson Valley, New York, Shawanagunk, Foothills of the Catskill Mnts. This is what we're dealing with this year. The invasion of the cicadas. That's it, folks. Welcome, Daniel.